Okay, something that bears noting that isn't what you're going to see in the brochures. We did talk about the hull being a Tri-Tune style hull and that it's made out of Polytech. The one thing that they don't really talk about is the fact that the pontoons, the outriggers on the sides, they're not waterproof. They're not fully sealed. They actually will let water in, and if you do take the panels off of them, like we showed you in our preview video that we first did a couple years ago introducing the Switch, they're full of foam, and they're also part of the structure itself. So when a lot of people think that, oh, okay, it's going to have this stability and it's going to have this floating stability, it's not the same thing as a traditional Tri-Tune or pontoon. This is a modified personal watercraft. So guys, take some things into account, all right? They're not going to be as strong as, say, a TIG welded aluminum pontoon. So be careful when you run it aground or when you come up to a dock. These are still a Polytech 2 style hull, and they are modular. Modular being that they're assembled from multiple pieces. That's how they're allowed to have a 13 foot, a 15 foot, a 19 foot, is that they're kind of built together and they kind of attach together. So again, it's important for you to know what exactly this machine, how it's assembled, and how it's meant to operate.